In this lesson, you will learn about lettering. So first of all, let's get to know the meaning of lettering. Lettering is the process of creating illustrations with letters, numbers, or any other types of characters or face. So basically, in art, lettering has to do with the constructions of alphabets from letter A to letter Z. The Phoenicians, who lived near what we now call the Middle East, invented alphabets with just 22 consonants and no vowels. So the 5 vowels, which include A, E, I, O, U, was not initially invented with lettering, as I earlier said. Vowels only became parts of the alphabet much later. Under types of lettering, we have sans serif. The sans serif, they do not have extended features. Again, we also have the serif. The serif is the opposite of sans serif. The serif letters are made up of letters with extended features. Another type of lettering is Gothic, which is used to describe a style of writing in which the letters are very decorative. Another type of lettering is Vintage, which can be characterized as a style that is used to be contemporary in the 19th to 20th century. Vintage lettering is also very decorative. In constructing block letters, we make use of grid lines. It acts as a guide. This means that in constructions of block letters, we must rule grid lines. The measurement used here is 1 centimeter. So we'll first rule a straight vertical line. So we'll follow our measurement, which is 1 centimeter. That's 0 to 1. So from 0 we have a point. So for each 1 centimeter, it will be indicated with a dot, as you can see now on your screen. So from there, I'll move to the horizontal axis. From there, I'll draw a straight line. Then I'll move to the horizontal axis and repeat the same measurements previously done. That's from 0 to 1 we'll mark, and then we'll draw a straight line. So from 0 to 1 we'll mark each point. These points are not just being marked. They are being marked so that it will help us to rule our grid line, or it will help us to get a perfect grid line. So now we'll rule straight vertical line. In ruling this straight vertical line, you match the dots. So this is the essence of measuring and using dots to indicate. So now we are going to rule the vertical and horizontal line using the dot as a guide, as you can see now on your screen. So after ruling our grid lines, so we'll start constructing. In constructing letters, some letters like letter A, they use ratio of 3/5. Letter B also uses the same ratio as letter A, which is 3/5. That's 3 horizontal and 5 vertical. Same is also applicable to letter C, letter D, letter E, letter F. So now you can see that with the help of our grid line, it's making the construction process easy.
Pond 5.
If you've noticed, the previous letters we've been constructing, they all followed the regular ratio of 3/5, but letter M does not follow that ratio. Letter M ratio is 5/5. Subsequent letters of the alphabet, they follow the regular ratio of 3/5. That's 3 horizontal and 5 vertical. The only letters of the alphabet that do not follow the regular ratio is letter M and letter W. Those are the two letters that do not follow the regular ratio.